Hey guys, what's going on? I just wanted to tell you a little bit about an ornament that I purchased online. It was actually really inexpensive, so I was thinking it was going to be more like a Christmas ball than like a flat ornament, if that makes sense, but that's fine. I mean, it's wood and it looks like it's a nice wood and will definitely hold up for a long time. So this is an ornament by Graphics and More. It's a thin blue line American flag wood Christmas tree holiday ornament. Came with just one of them. So it's made of, I'm pretty sure it's made of 100% wood. It's flat, and then it comes with, so it's not like, I don't want to say it's not nice looking. It's nice looking. It's just not like the best ornament I've ever seen. I just thought it was going to be like a regular ornament, but it's okay. It's flat, and then it comes with the hanger too. And then the website that this is from is graphicsandmore.com. You can hang it from your tree. So if you guys aren't familiar with what the thin blue line is, what it is it's showing that you support the police. So the thin red line is for the firemen, and then the thin blue line is for our police officers. So in my house, like just growing up and everything, we always supported the first responders. So like our EMT workers, I'm sorry, my cat's making her debut. She's always nosy, wants to see what I'm doing. Right, Penny? Okay. So we always supported our first responders and not our firemen, our policemen. This was always, but then especially when being a New Yorker, when 9/11 happened, we really got behind supporting first responders and all that. So this is a nice display to put on the tree. This is nice as a gift if you know someone who is a police officer, or you just know someone who really supports police and law enforcement. And I'm pretty sure that they had the firemen. So if you have like a fireman in the family, I think it's a really nice gift to give for somebody, and it will look nice on the tree. Actually, what's kind of nice about it being flat is you can kind of position it the way that you want, if that makes sense, because with the balls sometimes they'll kind of turn around and stuff like that, and this just kind of lays flat, so you can kind of put it like where you want, if that makes sense, and it'll look really nice on your tree. And you don't even need to get one of those little metal hooks, because it already has the silver ornament hanger with it that you can, and it's plenty of room too. So if you have thick branches, like I have pretty thick branches on my tree, it'll fit right on there and stay put. So I love that it's the American flag too. I always really try to support my country and show patriotism no matter what. I have like an American flag out front, and then I have a few American flag ornaments on my tree, and I just think it's really nice. So this is a great Christmas gift for someone, or just if you want to show your support and put it on your tree at home. Made by Graphics and More. They have tons and tons of stuff. If this isn't your thing, you could look at other stuff that they have as well. Shipped to me really quickly, and this is in the middle of course, the holiday rush, so I'm impressed. I think that it came packaged well, like the zipper, and then it came in a bubble bag, so that way like nothing breaks on it or anything like that. And I like the blue coloring is nice, and the printing, and you know that it's not gonna the colors aren't gonna bleed or anything like that. So guys, this was a thin blue line American flag wood Christmas tree holiday ornament sold by Graphics and More. Check out their stuff. I'm sure you'll like it. I hope that you found the video useful, and I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope everyone has a wonderful holiday.